Start by logging into Smartproxy's dashboard. After purchasing a mobile proxy plan, go to the Proxy Setup tab. When you purchase a plan for the first time, the system automatically generates a proxy user with a default dashboard login password. To change the password, click on the square icon and enter a new password of your choice. Note that you can't edit the username of an existing user. For that, you'd need to delete your existing user and create a new one. If that's what you want, click on this button, then Confirm Delete. To create a new username, click on Create and type in your credentials. Then, save the profile. If you want to set a traffic limit for a user, click on this button next to GBs. Once you're satisfied with the amount, press the check mark. To get more users, click Buy More and select the number of users you want to purchase. Now in the Endpoint Generator section, put in the username and password from earlier. Select a proxy location. You can leave it at random or specify the country to unlock ASN filtering. After that, it's time for ASN settings. Choose a specific carrier or get random ASN providers within your targeted country. Then specify the operating system. Your options include Android, iOS, or you can leave it at random. Next, select the session type. If you choose a sticky session, your IP will stay the same until the session expires. Smartproxy's mobile proxy sessions can last for up to 30 minutes. Now pick your preferred output format. You can set a maximum number of endpoints and download the created proxy list or copy it to your clipboard. You may apply this port and endpoint to any application or tool to start using proxies instantly. Here's an example of what it looks like on a simple curl command when using the mobile proxy rotating port. As we selected a rotating session, the IP changes with each request, meaning the connection is successful. For guides on how to integrate our proxies, visit our documentation.